Great news for Canadian investors, but if I'm being honest, I'm a little mad at Questrade. For my last video, I spent hours and hours going through the math and breaking down their fees, and now, just 2 weeks later, they're scrapping all of their fees. From now on, zero commission fees with Questrade. Whether you're buying or selling, stocks or ETFs, Canadian or US dollars, doesn't matter, it's all free. This is a game changer. I'm very happy to save money on my investments, but on the other hand, they're making me do more work, and now I gotta make a new video. So here it is. Hey guys, it's Adrian here, the Canadian in a t-shirt, and today, let's break down this huge announcement from Questrade. As of yesterday, they are a commission-free platform. They don't charge any commission fees for any trade, and essentially no ECN fees either. What does that mean? Bottom line, they're now the cheapest brokerage in Canada, and I would argue the best overall. And no, this video is not sponsored. I'm just happy to share good news. I've said it many times, there's no such thing as the best platform. Each have their pros and cons, and I intend to continue my series on brokerage reviews and comparisons. But after today, things are different. Questrade is winning in most categories. Let's break it down. For Canadian investing, they are now 100% free. So they match Wealthsimple and National Bank. For USD investing, also free. And there's no monthly or annual fees for that. For converting Canadian dollars into US dollars, they're one of the best. They support Norbert Gambit. More on that later. Now, for its features, it's debatable. They have pretty much everything I want, especially as an experienced investor, but they're great for beginners too. Stay tuned for a breakdown of features coming soon, and they're continuing to improve. They just announced that they'll support fractional shares and crypto coming soon. But let's focus on their changes today. First of all, there's no more minimum balance. Before, you needed to deposit $250 to open an account. Now, you can start investing with just $1. There's no more barrier to entry. Great news for beginners and students. Although, if you want to get a $50 sign-up bonus using my link below, then you'll need to deposit $250. More on that later. But the biggest news is zero commission trading. Guys, this is massive, and this will change the industry forever. All the other brokerages will need to seriously step up to compete, and for us, that's a good thing. Now, Wealthsimple was the first to do this, then National Bank. They both deserve a ton of credit. Before today, Questrade was commission-free for buying ETFs, but they charged $5 in fees for trading stocks. Plus, they charged a tiny amount of ECN fees, $0.0035 per share. Watch my last video for the breakdown. But today, that's all gone. You don't pay any fees. If I buy or sell stocks or ETFs, doesn't matter, it's all free. And this isn't a limited time deal. No, this is forever. Just today, I had $20 in my TFSA and I used it to buy a stock. Before, that would cost me $5 in fees, but from now on, it costs me $0. This changes everything. For the past 10 years, I've always stuck to this rule. I only buy stocks with at least $500. Any less than that, I would stick to ETFs to avoid those fees. But now, I don't have to worry about that. If I have $10, I can buy a stock, no fees. If I have $10,000, I can buy 1,000 shares, and still, no fees. Let me show you guys. Just today, I bought 10 shares of an ETF called ZMMK. I use it for short-term investing. Watch this video here. Starting today, it cost me $0 to buy these shares. No ECN fees, no nothing. Totally free. The same for selling. It used to cost $5 to sell. Now it's $0. Same story for stocks, even US ones. Let's buy Apple. Normally it would cost me $5 USD. Now it's free. Real quick, let's talk about the ECN fees. For the vast majority of you, these fees are also $0. But let's say you're a day trader and you want to specify the routing method. That's where the ECN fees kick in. See here, it's 4 cents. For 99% of you, don't worry about it. I've never done this in 10 years. The default option is auto, and those fees will be $0. Now, for converting your Canadian dollars into US dollars or vice versa, use Norbert's Gambit. This allows you to avoid a currency conversion fee. With brokers like Wealthsimple, this fee is 1.5%. Very expensive, and it would have cost me thousands over the years. I have a whole video breaking down this huge cost. Don't underestimate it. Converting 1,000 would cost you 15 bucks. That's money down the drain. Instead, with Questrade, you can use Norbert's Gambit, and you pay a fixed fee of only $10. Even for huge amounts, converting $1 million, you still pay that flat rate, just 10 bucks. This is one of Questrade's superpowers, and now with all these changes, this $10 fee is the only fee I will ever pay for using Questrade. There's more to talk about. I already have a step-by-step tutorial on how to use Norbert's Gambit, but I'll be making an updated video showing the new process. Now the fun part, some free money for you guys. Use my referral link below to sign up, and you'll get a $50 cash bonus when you deposit at least $250. That's a guaranteed 20% return. That's free money, so take it and invest it. For the past 6 years, my referral bonus was $50 in commission rebates. Now there are no commissions, so instead of a rebate, you get $50 in cash. Keep in mind that this $50 will count as a contribution, so if you're opening a TFSA or RSP, make sure you have available room. Use my link, you'll see my custom landing page, and that referral bonus should apply automatically. If you want to be extra safe, you can manually enter my code, CANADIANTSHIRT, to make sure you get that bonus. On top of this, there's also a transfer bonus, and this is a juicy offer. Whenever you transfer from your bank or broker into Questrade, you'll get 3% matching up to $10,000. That's $300 for free, and anything above $10K, you'll get 1.5%. If you transfer $10K, you get $300. Transfer $50K, you get $900. This is a great deal. It works for all account types, not just the RRSP. And this offer is for everyone, new customers and existing ones. The more you transfer, the more you get. But you don't need $10K to qualify. As long as you transfer at least $1,000, you start getting that 3% bonus. This is important. You need to open a cash account or a margin account to receive this bonus. We're talking hundreds of dollars. They won't pay it out to your TFSA or RSP because of contribution limits. Even if you're focusing on your TFSA, just open a cash account with 10 bucks to get this bonus money. Note, your bank will charge you a transfer fee. Good news, Questrade will reimburse you that transfer fee up to 150 bucks. This is on top of the 3% transfer bonus. But there is a limited time. You need to initiate the transfer by February 28. I have a step-by-step tutorial on how to do this transfer, but here's the quick version. Go to Move Money, Transfer at the bottom, transfer an account to Questrade, and follow the steps. Make sure you use my referral link below, take advantage of that transfer bonus, and stay tuned for more brokerage reviews coming up. Thanks everyone, and I'll see you guys on the next episode of The Canadian in a T-Shirt. Bye guys.